A5 equal to B9. A5 is equal to B9. A19 equal to B19. A19 equal to B19. Here, let's call this common difference as D1 plus 14 D1, I'll go there, plus 10 D2, I'll reach here. From B9, I add common difference 10 times, I'll go here. From A5, I add common difference 14 times, I'll reach there. Or 14 D1 equal to 10 D2, 7 D1 equal to 5 D2. We know the common differences are prime numbers. D2 is 7, D1 is 5. This common difference is 5, this common difference is 7. B2 equals 0. B2 equal to 0. B9 is 0 plus 7 D2, the second common difference. So B9 is 49. So A5 equals 49. What do we want to find? A11. A11 is A5 plus 6 times D1, which is 49 plus 6 into 5, 49 plus 30, 79. Done. A5 and B9 are equal, A19 and B19 are equal. From here we add 10 D2, 14 D1. 14 D1 equal to 10 D2, or the ratio of the common differences between D1 is to D2 is 5 is to 7. They have to be only 5 and 7 because they're both prime numbers. This common difference is 5, this is 7. We know B2 is 0. We can find B9, 49. That is nothing but A5. This is 49. This is 49. To get to A11, to 49 we add 6 times common difference of this. 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 49, 7.